is all about where the majority of people are going to like that particular style. We are going to call it as fashion. Hi, I'm Madhura Goen, working as Assistant Professor in Indian Institute of Fashion Technology. So today's topic is all about, we are going to design a yoke pattern with fullness. So this is the basic about this block for the miniature. Now take the brown paper, trace it as it is, keeping it on fold. Trace it from the neckline, shoulder, armhole line, side seam line and the waistline. After tracing it, take the measuring tape. You are supposed to measure the armhole, so it's almost 10 centimeters. We are supposed to take exactly half of the armhole, that is 5 centimeters. Then take a scale and draw a straight line over there. So this will be the yoke pattern and this is the skirt pattern. Now we are supposed to take the paper cutting scissors and we are going to cut the pattern. Start from the waistline. So now we are supposed to cut this yoke line. We are supposed to make this two different patterns. Now this is the yoke pattern and this is the skirt pattern. Now take a brown paper again, fold it and keep the skirt pattern, leaving 2 inches for the fullness. Measure 2 inches. Draw a line, then continue marking the same pattern. Continue the line like this. So this will be on fold and this is the skirt pattern. So this we have left 2 inches for the fullness, to create a fullness over here. So now we are going to cut the same. So this is how the pattern will be and this is the yoke pattern. So this will be bigger than the yoke pattern. So much we are going to create a fullness and we are going to join for the yoke pattern as it is. Now this yoke pattern we are going to cut on the fabric. So fabric has to be on fold like this on the wrong side. You are going to place the yoke pattern like this. Take a marking chalk and you are supposed to mark it as it is. As we are going to stitch the same pattern, we are going to leave 1 centimeters seam allowance. Now cut the same by using your fabric cutting shears. So this is the yoke pattern. Now take the fabric for the skirt pattern. This is my fabric for the skirt pattern. Iron the fabric and you are supposed to place it on fold and we are going to mark the same thing as per the pattern. As there is stripes over here in this particular fabric, we have kept it for the vertical stripes. Now, as we are going to join it, we are going to leave seam allowance of 1 centimeters over here. Now take a fabric cutting shears and we are supposed to cut the same. Like this. Now we have to join these two. Keep the machine ready. Let's start stitching this. So this will be the wrong side of the fabric. So of course this will be your right side. So now over here, to create that fullness, we are supposed to create a gathers. I have taken a hand needle and thread. I have taken a purposefully contrast thread so that you can see the stitches. So now we are going to create a running stitch over here to create a fullness. Now we are supposed to adjust the gathers. Like this. Now we are supposed to keep it right side facing right side like this, and we are supposed to put a machine stitch over here. Keeping it right side facing right side. Now we are supposed to stitch the same thing. Keep both the layers together. Adjust the gathers in the center and put a machine stitch. If you require, you can use even the draping pins also to align both the layers. So once the completion of the stitching, so this is how the pattern looks. So let us put it on the miniature dress form. So this is the final product of today's video, that is Yokeline with Fullness. Thank you so much. Follow IAFT channel for more fashion updates. Thank you.